Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the yields for the KS1 Ice River. So let's get right into it. All right, guys. So we're going to figure out the yields between the time I ordered the Ice River Kaspa KS1 to the time I received it, right? What were the yields then compared to the yields now? And as well as how accurate is Mine the ASIC, right? So we're over here at Mine the ASIC, and you can see the KS1 here. It's one of the top performing ASICs, obviously, because it's making pretty good money right now. Plus, with the price of Kaspa being up right now with the recent pump, it's doing about $15 a day at about 10 cents, which is, I don't know if you want to say 10 cents is the new average. I kind of feel like most traditional home miners are between 12 and 15 cents, I would say is more along the average. So if we put it up at 12 cents, that's about what you're making. I mean, it didn't move. It moved like 30 cents, so it's not a big deal because this miner uses such little wattage, which is kind of why I really do like this machine. As of recording on Sunday, November 5th, this is how much we should be actually bringing in, right? Is 266 Kaspa. Now, I did take a screenshot before I started solo mining of what I actually made. You can see here, this is on Kaspa Pool, and I was pool mining, and this is on November 1st, and this was after a full 24 hours, and I got about 263.85. So it's pretty close, right? And every day the rewards are going down a tiny bit. So I think at this time this was supposed to be around 270. So Mine the ASIC is pretty close about what you're going to get pool mining. Now that we kind of know what the KS1 should be generating, like currently as of today on November 5th, what was I supposed to be getting when I pre-ordered this machine before the batch got shipped out, right? Because I ordered this in October around the 14th or 15th, and this wasn't going to ship out until the end of the month, which means that there's 2 weeks that I didn't mine on this machine. This is the video I did 2 weeks ago of the KS1 here when I did buy it from Crypto Miner Bros. And you can see here that even though profitability was less is a dollar value, right? Because the price of Kaspa has obviously gone up since then. But you can see right here where I'm hovering with the mouse is that it's actually 281 Kaspa. So that's about a 15. There was 15 Kaspa loss in that yield between now and then. So that's an average of about 1 Kaspa every day that it's going down from a yield perspective as hash rate and everything increases over time, which is going to get very big over the course of the next year. Now there is an emission schedule and stuff like that, so I don't think it's going to continue down this path, right? But this is crazy though. So it's already went down 15 from what it currently was from the time I pre-ordered it to the time I received this and I started mining.
As a crypto miner, you know you want your equipment to be high quality. Proper cable management is part of your mining rig, and the Veteran Miner has you covered. The Veteran Miner cables are created with the best materials to ensure they are of the highest quality. Our cables are made of 16 gauge tin copper, ensuring another layer of protection from oxidation and corrosion. We support our products with a 100% guarantee. Visit our website at www.theveteranminer.com and get the best cables for your mining setup.
So what do you guys think about the Kaspa KS1? I mean, is this going to end up turning into another KS0, right? If we come down here, we can come down and find the KS0 is not yielding that much. The price of Kaspa is up, so it is doing quite well. But if there wasn't this recent pump here, this number would definitely be a lot different, right? This would be, somewhere in the, maybe like 50 cents a day right now. So the Kaspa KS0 is only generating about 26 Kaspa a day as of the, Sunday, November 5th, as, recording here. So that's something to take into consideration. And I mean, a price tag of $478, I just don't think it's worth it at this price. I feel like this is a $200 unit at this point in time, making only like typically between 50 cents to, $1.50 a day. $478. This thing at 50 cents would take you forever to pay off. It would never happen. It would never pay itself back. So I don't know about the Kaspa KS Zeros. I'm interested to see. I wonder if this is them playing on the firmware increase here, and Ice River's kind of doing it themselves, and they're just charging people more money. I mean, $1,000 to have double the hash rate, but you're only making $3 a day. You know what I mean? That's a lot, because the price of Caspa's up. If it goes back down, it's only doing $1 a day, which that's 1,000 days. So that is quite a long time to pay itself back. I'm pretty happy here though with the KS1. I do like that it's only 600 watts, because that's kind of like a GPU mining rig price, right? Boy, 1878 though. Now be careful due to this payback time. I wouldn't trust this here. It's gonna depend on where they have it from. So that says from ASIC Miner Exchange, which I'm not really familiar with that company. I'm not really familiar with any of these companies. Now, Crypto Miner Bros is selling this for about $2,350, I believe, and that's all in, ship landed to your door. So be careful when you buy from these other resellers here, because that usually doesn't include like shipping and like duties and all that stuff. So this price of $1,800 could easily turn into $2,300. So I would be really careful. So, and I do think that some of these batches have been pushed out again to the middle of November. You guys think the KS1 was a good buy on my part, or should I just save my money and not got this little Ice River Kaspa miner? I think it's a good buy. I think it's going to do good long term, and I think it's going to do great in the bull run. Now, be sure to stay tuned though, because I have been solo mining, right? That was one day of me pool mining, and I have been solo mining to hero miners. So I did get some good luck in the beginning. I've had some bad luck in the middle, but I still have a few more days until I have my final, 1 week of me solo mining to hero miners. And I am potentially considering making my own node and mining to that, and solo mining on my own node at home. So let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys have any questions, please put them down below. Maybe hit the like and subscribe. All right, this is the Money King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.